Alright guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to wash the leather seats from the Tesla Model S, but it can be done with any other car. So the product that I'm gonna use is the AutoGlym Leather Cleaner, and this product will be the main product to use, and I'm gonna apply this product on the seat and then use a normal microfiber towel, but it can be any cloth, to spread it all over the seat, and I'll show you the process. So just as a recommendation, before you start, it's a good idea to actually hoover the whole seat or the car and then start washing it. Okay, so I have already hoovered the car, and now what I'm gonna do is just to apply the AutoGlym Leather Cleaner on the seat. You can apply directly on the seat, and with this microfiber I'll just spread it. Alright, so once you are done applying the leather cleaner, the second step is to wash it off. So for that I have another cloth here. It's actually a microfiber, and I have my water here, so I just put it here, fill it a little, and then rub it again on the seat to remove everything. Right, so now the seat is completely washed, and you just need to let it dry. And after it's dry, you can do another step, which is to apply the leather Clair Blanc. I also have it from AutoGlym, where you can check in another video how to apply that on this type of seats. So before I finish, I will just keep washing all the seats, and you can also wash the steering wheel. Another thing that I do when I'm washing the seats and the leathers is that this part here, you can also wash it with the same product. I think this is the same type of material, so it wouldn't harm to wash it. And this is also plastic, so I can also wash it with all the same product. Alright, this is it. I hope you enjoyed the video and learn how to use AutoGlym Leather Cleaner.